Hello, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, and I'm delighted to show you around this Audi Q2 1.4 TFSI CoD S line. Finished in stylish grey and powered by 1.4 litre petrol engine delivering 150 PS and paired with manual transmission, this Q2 offers punchy and efficient urban driving experience. It's compact, clever and styled with excellence. The Q2 stands out with its angular LED headlights, striking S-line body styling and sharp C-pillar blades in matte titanium grey, as well as 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels for a sporty finish. At the back you will find LED taillights with dynamic indicators, sporty S-line spoiler and smart chrome-plated exhaust trim complete the Q2's modern and assertive look. Despite its compact size, the Q2 features surprisingly roomy boot with split folding 60/40 rear seats, perfect for loading anything from shopping bags to spontaneous flat pack furniture purchase. In the back, passengers benefit from supportive seats, rear head restraints and ISOFIX points for added safety of little passengers. The LED interior lighting adds a touch of sophistication. The driver is treated to sporty cabin with manual seat adjustment, S-line branding throughout and stylish inlays in matte brushed aluminium. You also get center armrest and stainless steel pedals. The multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel provides intuitive control at your fingertips. Ahead, a monochrome driver information system keeps your essential stats in view. Manual air conditioning keeps you and your passenger cool and refreshed, ideal for warmer months ahead. The infotainment system comes with MMI Radio Plus with 7-inch touchscreen screen for reliable access to your music and stations. You also benefit from telephone connectivity next to integrated Bluetooth hands-free function, as well as Audi smartphone interface allowing for seamless integration of your phone for calls and apps. The SD card-based MMI navigation ensures you will never take the scenic route by accident. And Audi Drive Select adjusts the car characters to suit your mood, comfort and dynamics. For all their settings allows you to customize your vehicle functions. This has been a presentation of the Audi Q2 1.4 TFSI. For more information, give us a call today.